Hello, Paul.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, today we have a test. So let's start. In the first part, can you introduce a little bit about yourself?
My name is Phúc. I live in City in Bình Chánh,
District.
Bình Chánh district.
How old are you?
Study grade 6. I'm 11 years old, and
What's
very
your
much.
favorite subjects in school?
My favorite subject in school is literature,
Yes.
English, and information technologies. But
Wow.
I like information technologies best.
Job. So, can you tell me what time do you go to sleep?
I go to sleep at 9 o'clock, but
But
I sometimes usually go to the bed at 10
10?
o'clock
Yeah.
and 11 o'clock.
Wow. A lot of time. Okay, good job, folks. So let's move to part 2. You will retell the story guitarist in 3 or 4 sentences. Let's start. Kể lại câu chuyện 3 đến 4 câu mà con nhớ ha.
Uh, Johnny was a rock and roll god. When he was in Israel, the woman loved him. When he was in Europe, the woman loved him. When he was in the North America, the woman loved him. The women praising and love him. The South America, the woman love him. Africa woman love him.
Yes.
Asian woman love him.
Good job. Okay, let's move to part 3. Mini story. So, Tiến Phúc, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Tony has a dream. He wanted to be the best guitarist in the world. He wanted to be a rock and roll god. Ooh. So, question number 1. What did Tony have?
Have a dream.
Yes, okay. What did he want to be?
He wants to be a best guitarist.
Yes.
A rock and roll god.
Okay, so who wants to be the best guitarist?
Tony.
Tony. This he has a children.
No.
This he has a car.
No.
This is has a big house.
No.
No, this he has a tree.
Yes.
Yes, okay. So this one want to be the best singer in the world.
No.
This one want to be the best student in the world.
No.
No, this one want to be the best guitarist in the world.
Yes.
Yes. And the next question for you. This Tiến Phúc want to be the best guitarist in the world.
No.
No. This Tom want to be the best guitarist in the
No.
world. This Inca want to be the best guitarist in the
No.
world. Did Tony want to be the best guitarist in the world?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So let's move to the next sentence for you. Tony said, but don't I have to practice the guitar? Tom said, no, just look good. Ooh.
Oh.
So, who said, but don't I have to practice the guitar?
Tony.
Tony. Okay, so what did Tom say?
No, just look good.
Yes, very good. So, did Tony say, but don't I have to practice the piano?
No.
Did Tony say, but don't I have to practice the violin?
No.
Did Tony say, but don't I have to practice the guitar?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So, who say, no, just look good?
Tony. Tom.
Okay, so the next sentence for you. Finally, 3 years later, Tony became a great guitar player. He became a rock god.
Oh,
Ooh, so, what was Tony become after 3 years?
become a rock god.
Very good. So, how long was Tony become a rock god when
3 years.
they had him? 3 years. Good job. Who become a rock god?
Tony.
Tony. Where he become a great guitar player after 1 year? No. Where he become a great guitar player after 5 years?
No.
Where he become a great guitar player after 3 years?
Yes.
Yes, okay. After 3 years, was a famous doctor become a rock?
No.
No. After 3 years, was Phúc become a rock god?
No.
No. After 3 years, was Tony become a rock god?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So let's move to the final part of this step, part 4. Tell the story. You read the paragraph on your screen. You read it loud, clearly, and with the correct pronunciation of the words endings. So now look at my screen. Let's start.
Guitarist. So for 1 year, every day Tom imitated Tom. He walked it like Tom. He moved it like Tom. He rested like Tom. Tried to be cool like Tom. But fortunately, after 1 year, Tony still could not play the guitar. In effect, he was terrible. Tony said, "You're fair. Fire." Next, he went to his friend Inca. He said, "Inca, how can I become best guitarist in the world?" I tried to study guitar with Tom, but he stuck it. Well, Inca said he wishes to find a good player model. Seek out Jimmy Page, he the best. So he did. He went looking for Jimmy Page. He found him in England. He asked Jimmy, "Jimmy, will you please take me to be a great guitarist? I want to be a rock god." Jimmy said, "Okay."
Okay, so good job, folks. You do a great job for today. Thank you very much.